But I think the most important thing about manufacturing is the criticalness of manufacturing in the U.S. due to the jobs it brings and to the security it brings to the United States.
Well, I learned, like I always do whenever I come to one of these a local manufacturer, is how many jobs are there, and the small things that are done that help other manufacturers, that help other businesses, that happen all throughout the country. And the manufacturing in the U.S. it's a national security issue. We need manufacturing in all industries in the U.S. In the event that there's ever something that happens globally, we have to be able to provide the manufacturing here. And to Mr. Sundberg's concerns, when it comes to labor, we have a service economy and we have a professional economy, and we're losing in the middle, and largely we're losing the middle because manufacturing is left. If we bring manufacturing back, we start bringing back our middle class.